This is a story about Bob Oates.
I had a backed up kitchen drain and could not get it unclogged despite running a small snake about 18 feet down the pipe. I called another highly recommended plumber that was too busy, and they recommended Bob Oates Plumbing. I'm really glad they did. I called in the morning, and Dino came out that same day. He carefully explained all the options he could perform and was careful to make sure that he was able to keep costs as low as possible. He ran a power snake through the drain once and found some sludge about 30 feet down the line. He then ran water through to test it and found it was still backing up, so he continued with the snake 3 more times until he reached about 60 feet down and found another blockage, and then everything finally cleared. I was extremely impressed with his dedication to make sure the job was done right. I know it ended up being a much more complicated job than expected, but the final price was very reasonable. I highly recommend Dino and Bob Oates Plumbing.
So next time you have a plumbing emergency, give Bob Oates a call.